Hi guys, I have a wonderful news to share you. This is my new chemistry box. Its name is called as My Chemistry Lab, and it also has a manual with lots of chemistry experiments. We are going to do one of the experiments today. I'll show you what's inside the box. I have already put the gloves and here's the water. We need a lot of things to do chemistry experiments. Now let's open it here. See this with this whole entire things. We are going to use it to make chemistry. Now let's keep it here. I'll just take out my glasses and I'll do some chemistry experiments. Okay? I need to just put it here. When I need it, I'll put it down. Okay? My dad will read this manual, whatever the chemistry experiments. Okay? I'll take out one chemistry experiment. Yesterday I did one chemistry experiment and that is this one. I'm going to do it now to show you. Just to show you, okay? My dad will read this and I'm going to follow the manual. Here are the ingredients to make it. My dad will tell it, I'll keep it out. Like one ingredient. I have this drop. I have also the dropper. We need a lots of things to do. So we'll just keep them in the side. First we need to do the first step, okay? We need to just follow the manual. We need citric acid and baking soda. Yes, and citric. This is citric acid. I wrongly said that citric acid. Now we need one spoon and this dropper. We need this food coloring and we need this measurement cup. Then in a bowl I am going to add a teaspoon of baking soda. I'll just take a new spoon because I used it yesterday. This one is a new spoon. I'm going to use this. This is baking soda. See, it's in white in color, and this is citric acid. What is the difference means? The citric acid is very hard to crush it, but the baking soda is a little bit soft like that. What is that? Sand kind of thing. You need to take a teaspoon of baking soda. Teaspoons means a lot. So we need to just shake it. Now is the right amount. It's spilled a little bit, but it's okay. I'll clean it after the video. Now we need to mix it. Now we need to mix it with water. I don't need to take 1 ml of water, and 1 ml is this much only because it's a little bit amount only. Now we need to put it with the baking soda and we need to mix it with a spoon. Now it's fully mixed like this. It be like this when it's mixed. Next we need to add a spoon of citric acid. Now open this my dad will open it for me, but it's not simple. It's citric acid packet is it's a little impossible for open for little kids. So my dad is opening it for me. Okay. We need to take a teaspoon of citric acid. It's a little bit hard, but we need to crush it. It's very hard. See, I told you the difference, so it's very hard. It's very true only. It's very hard to crush it for little kids. It's not very impossible to crush it, but I took this one. See, now it's getting a little bit bubbly here if we add citric acid. See, it's getting a little bit foamy. We need to crush it. See, it's getting bubbly and foamy. It's not getting crushed because I told you it's very hard to crush it. We can only crush it with the hammer. Otherwise, it won't get soft like this baking soda. Now in the big glass we need to add water. We need to add 15 ml. No, 50 ml. 50 ml. It's a lot. We need to pour it inside this cup. We need to take more. Now that's all. We need to add a little bit water. Now we need to add this oil. We'll open the oil. Oh, I opened it. We need to fill it 25 ml. Just a bit to fill it, but I'll try to fill it. Okay, that's it. I filled it 25 ml. And I'll see if I get 25 ml. Okay, now I need to pour it inside this glass. See? The water and the oil don't stand together because the water has more density and the oil has less density. That's why the water and the oil don't stand together. Now we need to add the food color. Okay, this is the food coloring. Okay, this is how much we need to get, okay? Now we need to drop it slowly inside here. Okay. Now this liquid we need to keep it like the bad form, but still this citric acid still has broken, but we have to add it. Then we can see the lava. Then we can see something new. This is a homemade lava lamp. They told if we off the light, we can see some sort of colors, but I tried it yesterday. It was not working. But we can see the water breathing oxygen. No, carbon dioxide. See? Can you see it? Like this? See, it's releasing carbon dioxide. See? After this when it ends, we are going to pour that water in the sink. Then we are going to do another experiment. We'll make the next experiment in the next tomorrow, okay? Because today I don't have any time. I'm very busy today. Sometimes only I get time. That's why. Okay guys, bye. See? What's this happening? It's a lava. It's a volcano. Like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon. Bye. And also comment. Bye.